This is my final project for the mobile learning class of my Adelphi MA in Educational Technology. For this project, we were required to create an idea for a mobile app. So to do so, I used Balsamiq, a wireframing software that allows for the creation of collaborative and semi-functioning prototypes to create this mockup. Practice in Context is a language learning application that allows users to produce content and receive feedback in various mediums for their target language, and give feedback to others for content created in their native language. Edited and approved works will eventually be utilized as practice materials for language learners. On the home page here, users will be able to navigate to 3 areas: their profile, practice, and review. Under the profile, users are able to view their native and targeted languages as well as their target language level. From here, students can view submissions or works that are currently in development, or under My Reviews, students can view works that have been reviewed and edited by a native speaker of their target language. Under Submissions, users are able to view their current works and click on the work name to continue writing, recording, and developing their production. From here, students can navigate to their reviewed works. Here, students are able to view works that have been edited by a native speaker of their target language. For example, Cuento de Oro is a story I have created and submitted, and it was reviewed by Sam Guy. In the review section, there are different ways reviewers can make edits for the submitted works. The user is able to hear their audio recording of the work and compare this to the native speaker's re-recording. Editors are also able to add media corrections to the work. For instance, Sam Guy, the native speaker editor for this work, made a text correction indicating that I should use a different word for supo. Here. After listening to the audio, Sam Guy might have heard that I also made a mistake in pronunciation on this word, and inserted an audio recording of how it should sound. Other media corrections are available for editors, including pictures and videos, to add more options for content correction. After taking a look at the edits, I am able to rate my reviewer. I've lifted this idea from the Uber application because I think it would work especially well in this context. Users are given ratings based on how well they review the works of others. Then all target language productions are paired with native speaker editors that have the same rating. This acts as an incentive to review frequently and create quality comments. Under the practice setting, users are able to adjust the type of content that they would like to practice. They are able to set their study language, indicate the type of contextual input they would like to receive, either narrated story or video, and indicate the desired response type as either verbal, written, or mixed. In this section, students will receive practice content in either a video or written with audio, and after be given a set of questions to answer. Students can decide their response type as either written, verbal, or mixed, although these sections have not yet been drafted. Then the students will receive a production that corresponds with their level. At beginning levels, students will first hear a small production of the story with accompanying words. Users are able to click word and word chunks to hear particular sections of audio repeated, and are also able to click the information icon below to see a direct translation of the word. After, students receive visual cues for the same section of the story, read at a slightly slower speed. This will continue for each word chunk until the section of the story is complete. Finally, in the review section, users are able to select works that have been created in their native language by speakers of other languages. On the editor page, users are able to view their editor rating, which indicates the quality of their edits and determines who they are paired with to review their productions. Here, users are able to check out new materials, show works that editor is currently reviewing, and also able to show the editing history of the user. Users can then click on the work name to begin editing the submitted material. On this page, the students are able to hear the audio recording for the production from the second language submitter. Then they can also record the user's submission as a native speaker for reference. Students can also add a media reference by highlighting a word or a group of words and then choosing to add a correction type of audio, written, or media feedback. With this app, users will be able to crowdsource for language learning assistance in a mutually beneficial way through highly contextualized media.